Oil sampling is often inconsistent. The Easy SAM replaces manual methods with a motorized vacuum system, delivering clean, reliable samples. Compact and lightweight, it supports accurate decisions in demanding environments. Manual sampling can be slow, inconsistent, and easily contaminated, often depending on the operator. With EZ-SAM, everything changes. It's fast, consistent, and clean, using a motorized system that delivers reliable samples every time. Precision comes from 4 essentials. Motorized suction, a sealed system, one-button control, and a secure bottle connection. Working together for clean, consistent sampling every time. The system works in 3 steps: connect, create vacuum, draw fluid. No exposure, no residue, no compromise, just a true, uncontaminated sample. Wide viscosity handling meets rapid sampling. Even thicker oils are collected quickly, reducing effort without losing precision. The phrase, "built for the route," lightweight and independent, describes the EZ-SAM's design as a portable, cordless tool optimized for technicians performing long inspection rounds in the field. Used across heavy industry, energy, and transport sectors, the EZ-SAM performs consistently, even in harsh conditions. Consistent sampling leads to accurate data. Accurate data reveals early wear. And early action prevents failure and maximizes uptime. Every specification of the EZ-SAM reflects intent. A durable yet lightweight structure ensures longevity without burden. Its performance spans an impressive viscosity range, while maintaining rapid sampling capability. Standardize your sampling procedures today by ordering the EZ-SAM from lubricant. By replacing variable manual techniques with consistent, motorized extraction, you ensure every sample accurately represents the true condition of your lubricant.